Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Hana Home Decor. I hope you're in good health and enjoying my videos. Today I am bringing you the amazing idea of water features in your garden, in your backyard. Most of them are DIY. You can do it yourself. They are perfect for the small gardens as well as for the large. I tried to collect the ideas which are practical, easy to implement, and beautiful at the same time. There are numerous water features. Some of them are from Zen gardens, some from Oriental garden styles, some from Australian and Mediterranean gardens. They are different in their sizes and styles, but in their essence, they are same. They are providing you a beautiful, natural, scenic view inside your home. An amazing waterfall flowing from a high mountain. A pond with fish floating inside. A pond of lilies in your backyard. These ideas are amazing because they all are practical. There is nothing superficial or difficult about them. If you're art lover and creative, you can create them on your own, or you have a good sense of art and you want to create natural sceneries inside your home, you can get them customized. They all are in affordable budget. Ponds and small pots and containers create such a wholesome effect of a natural jungle, pond, or stream in a pot that it create a complete ecosystem, a beautiful scenic view which you definitely enjoy. A water feature in itself is a thing that adds much beauty to your garden because it's bringing nature to your backyard. It's creating an effect of a pond, lake, river, or even a beach effect in your small yard. So, water features are relaxing, beautiful, soothing, not only for your eyes but for your brain and for your mental health too. When it comes to creating water feature in your garden, the factors which are important: how much space you can spare, the cost of the material. Either you want to use the natural material in your home, you want to dig a hole and use some concrete to cover it, and use gravel and rocks to create a pond. You want to add a small water motor, or you want to create a large pond. The planning is the key. Creating small ponds are relatively easy because the material required is not too much and they're easily manageable too. Water features are easy to create, but their maintenance and management is also important. Definitely, you cannot leave stagnant water. You have to clean your ponds, or you have to keep the water running, or keeping it fresh and clean. So definitely you have to keep this thing in mind, that how much space you can spare, or how much big a water feature you can create which is easy to manage. These water features work as natural lake, pond, or sea inside your home, and you can have your beach chairs around them, sit your and think yourself on beach or beside a river. You can add little fish to complete a wholesome look of a river. But definitely by doing so, you have to keep in mind that how will you maintain or manage its cleanliness. So viewers, we tried to make this video unique and beautiful. If you like the idea, please like and subscribe our channel. We need your support to keep on working. This is crucial for us. Please subscribe our channel and like our video. This is a must for us to grow and to work. If there is something specific which you want to watch related to home decor or gardens, please write in comment section.